Nope. Hey, it might be this guy that's up here. Where?
It's a plane stuck, I believe.
Look at the foam packs, the portable foam packs that they're using, where it just connects to right straight to the fire hose and then it turns it into the foam. That's to keep the diesel from burning.
Yeah. Got this thing when that starts happening.
I'm gonna walk around and get the front of the truck. Walk back this way. Oh, that was the front of the truck.
That was the front of the truck.
I don't know what I was thinking, but here's the trailer with the rest of the logs on it.
When we came around the curve, we weren't doing no problem about 50. We came in the low shit, and I tried to hold and roll. Next thing I know, we just turned over.
It turned
Yep.
out you just slid right here?
Yep. The low, when the low shit, cause we weren't doing no problem, doing about 50, 55. We weren't going.
Yeah.
We
Especially in
came
this
around the
curve.
low shit, and I tried to turn it right, just get it right. And
Yeah.
when I did that, the wheel went that way, it just turned on over.
Log trucks are famous for that. That's just one thing you got to deal with driving a log truck. Yeah, I live right here through the woods.
Y'all hear it?
Yeah.
They
Well,
said
you know,
it rumbled the buildings.
Everything went off. You could hear the flow. The tank up.
Oh, dang. Okay.
As soon as we got out, when I got that seatbelt off and got where we get out, I grabbed the fire stick. He said stop. I grabbed the fire stick. As soon as we hit that, and it went up. We got back. It just went blowing up.
Yeah, it rattled our buildings.
That yeah, they look right here to the hood. Dang.
Yeah. Pretty daggum close to our house, that's for sure.
Yeah. The whole thing was a gunshot. I remember that, yeah. These are airbags, yeah, actually.
Yeah. What do you think, guys? Got a little excitement this morning?
Who was driving?
This guy.
Oh, you're not with them?
No, I live right here. We felt our whole buildings and everything shake when it happened, so we run through the woods right here, and it was like, man, let's see what's going on. It fully inflamed and everything. Well, out comes the cat litter, just in case there is a little bit of diesel mixed in with that water that come out of the fuel tank. That was mainly water that was pouring out of the fuel tank. That it's not much diesel itself, so.